Hey there, have you ever wondered what your handwriting says about your personality? Well, you're in luck because today we're going to dive into the world of handwriting analysis and learn about the different personality traits that can be revealed through our handwriting. First off, let's talk about size. The size of your handwriting can indicate whether you're an introvert or an extrovert. If your writing is small, it may suggest that you're introverted and reserved. On the other hand, if your writing is larger, it may suggest that you're outgoing and confident. Next up, slant. The slant of your handwriting can reveal a lot about your emotional state. If your writing slants to the right, it suggests that you're a warm and emotional person. If it slants to the left, it suggests that you're more reserved and introspective. Pressure is another important factor in handwriting analysis. If you press down hard when you write, it may suggest that you're a determined and passionate person. If you write with a light touch, it may suggest that you're more sensitive and empathetic. Finally, let's talk about spacing. The spacing between your words can reveal whether you're organized or spontaneous. If your writing is tightly spaced, it suggests that you're organized and detail-oriented. If your writing is more spaced out, it suggests that you're more spontaneous and free-spirited. So there you have it, a brief overview of how handwriting analysis can reveal different personality traits. Of course, this is just scratching the surface. There are many other factors that can come into play when analyzing handwriting. But hopefully this has given you a taste of what's possible.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and join WhatsApp chat.